Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to introduce PyPractice AI, an AI-powered Python learning application that we will build from scratch in my Udemy course. My Udemy course name is LangChain 1.x, Agentic AI and RAG made clear from scratch. Let me show you what this application can do. A learner can choose a Python topic from the sidebar. Topics like list comprehensions, dictionary comprehensions, and so on. Based on the selected topic, the application will use an LLM to generate the lesson content. So, instead of hard coding the lessons, we will use an LLM to generate them dynamically. The lesson content will include an explanation of the concept, a working Python example, along with its explanation, and a coding challenge for the learner to solve. Once the learner understands the topic, they can write their solution to the coding challenge directly in the application and submit it for evaluation. Here, instead of using simple string matching or rule-based validation, we will use an AI agent with a tool to execute the learner's Python code. This gives our application actual code execution capabilities. This means the learner's Python code will be executed and the execution result will be displayed. The learner's Python code and its execution result will then be sent to the LLM. The LLM will generate the evaluation feedback explaining whether the solution is correct and what improvements can be made. Next, I'll add the Ask Tutor chat feature. Notice the Ask Tutor button here. The Ask Tutor chat will be initialized for each newly selected topic. It will have access to the generated lesson content as well as the learner's submitted solution and evaluation results. The learner can chat with the tutor about the generated lesson content. For example, if they are unable to solve the coding challenge, they can ask the tutor for hints and guidance. They can also ask the tutor to clarify a concept from the lesson or explain the Python example in more detail. The learner can also ask questions that are not directly related to the current lesson content. For example, they can ask, explain me the difference between map and reduce function. This allows learners to expand their understanding by asking additional questions and exploring related Python concepts. Next, we will use summarization middleware to summarize older messages in the chat conversation. Once summarization is triggered, the summary along with the recent chat messages will be sent to the LLM. This will help us manage the growing conversation history and make our chat application more efficient. Finally, we will limit the number of lessons that learners can access for free. Once the learner has viewed lessons for 2 Python topics, they will reach the free access limit. If they try to access another topic, the application will display a free access limit reached message and ask them to unlock full access for $200. The learner can then click the unlock button to start the purchase process. When the learner clicks the unlock button, the applications ask them to approve or reject the deduction of $200 from their credit card. If the learner clicks the reject button, the application displays a message indicating that full access is not activated. The learner will not be able to access any additional lessons beyond the free access limit. But if the learner clicks the approve button, the application displays a message confirming that full access is purchased for $200 using their credit card. Now the learner can select any Python topic and access its lesson content. We will use human in the loop middleware to implement this approval workflow. If you would like to learn how to build this AI application with LangChain, OpenAI model, middleware, tools, and Streamlit, I would love to see you inside the course. The link is in the description. Thank you.